You use these simple objects every single day, but what if I told you they can do much more than you think? Here are 10 amazing life hacks you'll wish you knew sooner. Number 10. A broken zipper can be fixed with just a paper clip. No sewing needed. Simply straighten out the zipper as best you can. Open the zipper all the way and insert the paper clip at the top where the two sides of the zipper meet. Hold the ends of the zipper tightly and pull the paper clip in an upward motion to close the zipper. Voila! Give it a try. You're welcome. No. 9. Did you know that you can put a wooden spoon across a boiling pot to prevent it from overflowing? Place the wooden spoon across the top of the pot like this. The water may still boil vigorously, but it won't overflow. This is because the water will reach the spoon, the heat will transfer to the spoon, and the water will stop boiling. Once the water stops boiling, it will no longer overflow. Try this next time you're cooking something that boils over easily. No. 8. Have you ever struggled to clean up after painting? I have. Well, here's a little trick to make it easier. Just wrap a rubber band around the paint can like so, then press the paintbrush against the rubber band before dipping it back into the paint. It works really well. And when you're done, you can simply unwrap the rubber band and discard the paint-free rubber band for next time. Number 7. Did you know that you can place your phone inside a glass cup to make your speakers sound better? Yep. In fact, any kind of cup will do, but a wine glass tends to work best. All you need to do is place your phone inside the cup and start playing whatever you want through your speakers. The sound will be louder and crisper. This also works with headphones, and it's especially useful when you're hosting a party. Your guests will think you have a high-tech speaker system. Shh, don't let them know it's your phone. No. 6. Freeze some grapes and use them as ice cubes. They're natural. Don't dilute your drink and they look pretty. Just wash and freeze a bunch of them, then pop them out of their skins. These frozen grapes are perfect for chilling any drink. Number 5. Are you tired of struggling to fill your taco without it falling apart? Well, here's an easy solution. Before filling your taco, place a fork inside the taco like so. This will help hold the taco upright and keep it from falling apart. And voila, your taco is filled and ready to eat. No. 4. Put a dryer sheet at the bottom of your trash can. It helps absorb odors. Simply place 1 or 2 dryer sheets at the bottom of your trash can and you're good to go. The dryer sheets will absorb any odors and keep your trash smelling fresh. No. 3. Here's a trick I wish I knew sooner. When you're hammering in a nail, use a clothespin to hold the nail in place. Simply place the clothespin over the nail and you're good to go. This will prevent your fingers from getting smashed and help you drive the nail straight in. Give it a try. No. 2. Ever had a door slam shut on you? It happens to the best of us. But here's an easy trick to prevent it from happening. Simply place a rubber band around your door handle like this. The tension from the rubber band will keep the door from slamming shut. This is especially useful in high-traffic areas like your office or entryway. No. 1. Here's a fun one. Keep your pizza warm with 2 plates in a cup. This is a game changer for large families or if you're hosting a party. Simply place the pizza on the first plate, then place a cup in the middle of the pizza. Then place the second plate on top of the cup. The heat from the pizza will keep the top plate and cup warm, allowing the pizza to heat up more evenly. And when you're ready to serve a slice, simply remove the top plate, grab a slice, and replace the plate. This will keep your pizza warm for longer. Try it. You're welcome. Which hack blew your mind the most? Tell me in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more genius life hacks every week. See you next time.